of me fixing everything. And if you want to know how to engrave onto mirrored plexiglass, watch the video. Okay, first thing we're gonna need is to open. I'll show how to do the file, and then I'll tell you a few tricks about engraving. I'm using a snipping tool. I'll cut my own logo. Control and C for copier, and we will open a new file, and we will paste that logo here. Then we'll go to Path, Trace Bitmap, and here you can see on a single scan, usually it sits on a brightness cutoff, but we can't see nothing. It's gonna be on a edge detection. Okay, you can still use a brightness cutoff, but it doesn't work well with these numbers, or with these letters. So just use edge detection, and we'll lower down the value here. Apply, pull it down, and we'll have this as a file. Then we'll make a little frame, thing like this one here. And then a little circle. There we go. And we'll call that a keychain. Control Shift and R will make resize spatial constraint, and Control Shift and S will save it. Oh, something that we forgot. It needs to be mirrored. Okay, like this. Control Shift and S to save it. MFE will be the file. We'll save it as a replacement. Now, because I'm engraving something else, I'm cutting this 2mm mirrored plexiglass on a 30%, I think it's like 12 milliamps, on a 10 millimeters a second. But when you're engraving onto it, you'll see that you get these little spots and dots onto the thing. This is on 15%, because I don't know, when I'm engraving, I don't know what is the amperage. 15% on 400 millimeters a second, and here you can see that there isn't, but still it's not enough. Can you see? This is on 10 millimeters on 400 millimeters a second, and this one is a little bit better. No, not this one. This one is a little bit better. There is still no dots and spots, but it's still not enough power to go through the whole thing. And this is on 10 millimeters, 300 millimeters a second. So we'll see. Now, this one I have a piece of scrap for the one that we made, and I'll engrave it here, so I just need a lot of more power because of the paper backing, but I have one more. We'll check it and we'll determine. If you look in the video for the values, you'll see in a second. I think this is a perfect value. 11%, 250 millimeters a second. Okay, now there is two sides. The one with the foil on the front, the shiny one, and this one. When you do the engraving, mirrored image, and we will do the engraving onto here. So just place it down. And let's see. Open the file. MFE file. So try to aim at the front here. I'll put my glasses on. Then we're gonna test the spot. No way too high. I think this is good. Maybe. There we go. Okay. Now, because it's not gonna go through the paper, what I'll do, I'll just ramp it up to 21%, and I'll run it on 21% on 250 millimeters a second. Okay, lid is now closed, raster engrave, and let's give it a start. Okay, this is already engraved. Let's cut it now. I'm cutting on, as I said, 13 milliamps. I got the air assist going on, and then cutting on 10 millimeters a second. I guess might be a little bit into the circle here, but still will be fine. No, this is brilliant. Very nice. What is that line from? I don't know. Something. Well, still, I really hope this video is being helpful to you, and I'll see you on to the next one. Bye bye.